Hi friends, welcome back to our CRUD operation with the post API using the Axios library. Last class, we have discussed the delete the post. In this class or in this session, we are going to send the post or create the post using the post API, using the post Axios API. For that, first I am going to my application. For the creation of the post, we have to take the two things like a two blank elements like a input elements, that is a called title and body. I have mentioned here this is a news, or you can call it as a body also. You can call it as a body also. For that, if you click on this button like add the post, add a post or add, or I'm leave with the add. If you click on this add post or add button, it will store into the all the post. For that, I'm going to write one more API called one more consume API called post API, post method, send post. For that, export const send post, or what we have to write, get post, delete post and create post. Okay, you can write the create post equal to, for this we want the post. In this it is returning the, it is going to returning the API dot in this API dot in this, so many methods are there. In this we are going to use post method. For that, slash post we are going to use, slash post we are going to use. This method is coming from the this JSON placeholder only, JSON placeholder.tibcode.com. If you see here, where is this resources, under the resources, after the resources there is a routes part is there. In this route part there is a API called slash post. We are going to using this post we are going to send our data or create our post. If you come here, that's the creation of handling this post is completed. Go to the forms. Here you have to first take the data, collect these two items data. For using the one use state we are going to use, that is a called use state hook. It is coming from the React common library. Set post comma set post equal to use state hook. It is coming from the React. Import this use state, import here, comma, it is not auto completing, use state and in this use state we are going to take two properties. One is title, another one is a body part, not tag. This is a property body. After, we are going to use one common method to update the inputs. To update these two inputs, we are going to take update input equal to, here it is getting the event. We are going to write a event set post. It is gives the set post gives the previous data or previous post. I'm going to take the previous post, dot previous post, make it as a, after this event dot target dot name. We are injecting the key. You have to inject the key like this only. If you do without these square brackets, without the square brackets, it will take the event dot target directly only. But if you want to make it as a dynamic key, you have to use like a square brackets. For taking the value, you can directly use the event dot target dot value, event dot target dot value. After completing this, you have to take in the value part. You have to take directly post dot title post dot title, and on change part you have to take on change equal to change is equals to, you can directly take this update input. Same here also, value post dot body part, post dot body part, and on change equal to update input. Next you have to write the handle the submit button. Handle submit button. Submit button you have to take one, it is called event, you can call it as event or e. Here you have to take submit, on submit, on submit. Why I'm not auto completion is not working? Maybe you have to take control P, not control P, or Windows P, I think. Windows P, control alt P, control shift P. Yeah, control shift P. You have to reload this. Load this. Now you can see this once again. On submit. Now we are getting once reload. If you not observe any auto completion in your code or in your editor, you have to reload the this entire VS Code entire VS Code environment. On submit, and you have to write the handle submit. You have to call the handle submit. Here event dot prevent default, event dot prevent default. It is used for the it stops the reloading of the application. Event dot prevent default, and after this you have to use the try catch function. In the catch function I'm going to log the error message, error comma error. Next, in the try function we have to use the response. Response is coming from the await, like create post. Create post is coming from the post.api.js. This post.api.js, post.api.js. How to make it as a C. Post.api.js. We have to send the post. This post. We have to send this post. Why? Because I'm getting this red mark in this. Await expression only used in the async functions. After getting this, after creation of the post, you have to check this response. Response dot status equal to greater than or equal to 200, and response dot status less than or equal to 299 or 299. You have to take 299. For this, this is a successful error messages. We don't know that what error message we actually, I don't know the what error message it will give. That's why if creation of this post is successful, I'm going to send this, set the post, or not set post, set the data. Set the data of array of dot 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 data. This I'm going to stay with the previous data, and I'm going to add the response. This response, not response, response dot add, response dot data, not response. If you want to see this, you can do the console also, response. Can console also. I have already practiced with that. That's why I know that what is there in the response. This response object. After completing this, you have to set post. Set post, you have to make the empty, like title, and have to make, and body is made. You have to make them empty. Somewhat completed. Go for the testing. Before going to test, you have to add the form into here. Add the form here. In this form, you have to send the two things. One is the data, another one is a set data. Set data. These two things we have to send, data and set data. It is imported, and here you have to take the two things, data comma set data, set data, and here come to the my application. See, it is here. Why it is looks like this. Go to the form. In this, you have to take one div. In this, you have to take the div. You can take the flex and justify content, justify center, justify content center. This is a justify content center or justify center. Uh, Justify content center is a CSS class is justify content center, and in the tailwind CSS class is justify center and item center. See, and add the margin height, margin top and bottom is, I'm going to add the 2 rm. If we add this data, it will going to store into the this post, all post. If you add, I'm going to add something like a React JS app. I'm going to add. It is a lightweight library to create web apps. I have written like this. If you click on this add button, see, it will going to store here. I am not getting here. Title and news I got, but data we did not got. We did not receive the data. Go to the my application here, make it as a inspect and console. Go to the console. I'm getting this one. After this, whether I'm sending the post or not, I'm sending post here, but why I'm not getting this data response? Let's check here. Um, okay, you have to send the post here. Sorry, friends. Apologies for this. You have to send the post also here with api.post/post. You have to send this. Sorry for apologies. You have to must and should send the post. That's then only you can get the data. Once again, I'm refresh, run the application. Firstly, I'm opening the application, and here also reload this. Reload the entire application. See, I have only 100 posts. React JS app. It is a lightweight library to create the web application. If you click on add, see, I'm seeing here. See, it is add React JS app. It is a lightweight library to create app, and here also we got the data in this title, body, and ID. We got the ID also. Body and ID. If you want to add instead of the last, if you want to add in the first, here go to the my application. We can add according to our convenient in this responses in this set data here. Instead of this comma dot response dot data you can remove this one. You can remove that one. After that you can add the remaining data here. If you see here, go to the my web application. I refreshed my application, and if you see, only 100 items are there. After React.js app, it is a lightweight library to create the app. Click on the add button. See, it is added to the React.js. We got the title and news. It is a lightweight library to create the web application. It is added in the first. If you want to add one more, like Angular app, I have written the title as Angular app. It is a heavy framework to create web applications. Click on add button. See, we got the first item as an Angular app, and it is heaviest framework to create the web application. Why means we have written here. If you add the new item, it will going to store into the first. If you want to make it as a last, you can do this one in the first, and you can do the response.data into the after the data. But I have written my code as a first. I'm going to add like the how stack is going to store in the first. Last one is the first, like that I have added here. How stack is there like this. The create post is completed. In the next session we are going to see the next session we are going to see the how to edit this post. If you click on this edit button, it will going to pop over the data, and we are going to edit that data. That's all, friends. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.